Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We are going to start exercise 2B of new syllabus mathematics book 2. Uh, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So question number 1 of exercise 2B, exercise that is 2B. Question 1 is, using the graphical method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. What are simultaneous equations? So we have a set of here in question number 1, set of for example part A, two equations. So set of two or more equation is called a simultaneous equations. So here we need to solve the simultaneous equation. So simultaneous equations are set of two or more equations sharing the same variable. For example, in first set, if we see there are two equations and they have the same variables x and y. X and y variable is found in equation number 1 as well as in 2. So these are the simultaneous equations. Part A of question number 1, part A, that is 3x minus y equal to 0, and other equation is 2x minus y equal to 1. So we need to draw table. X, y. Similarly, another table for other equation. X, y. So for every single value of x, we will get one value of y. For example, we can select values for x 0, 1, 2 or 0, 3, 5 like this. So any value 0, 3, and on this side we will use the negative values minus 3. So only 3 values are sufficient. And similarly here we can take same 0, 3, minus 3, or we can use 1, 3 and minus 3. Now for every value of x we need to find the value of y. For this equation, if we put the x minus 3 here, for example this 3x minus y equal to 0, and we can write y minus y equal to minus 3x, minus cancel with this minus, and if we put x equal to 0, 3 into 0 equal to 0, y equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Now if we put here x3, y equal to 3x, mean if we put 3 and y will be 9, and if we put x minus 3, this will be minus 9. Similarly, we need to fill the y values of in the second table. This is 2x minus y equal to 1, minus y equal to 1 minus 2x. So multiply with minus both sides. This will be y equal to minus 1 plus 2x, or y equal to 2x minus 1. So now put values of x. If we put value of x 1, this will be 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, 1. And if we put value 3, 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5. And if we put minus 3, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 7. So we have table of values, or we can make ordered pair out of these values in the table. So now we need to draw these values on the graph paper. So I take a graph paper. This graph paper is with me here. So Cartesian coordinate lines, we need to draw two perpendicular lines. This is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. This is x-axis. We say this line, horizontal line, x-axis, x-axis, and this is a vertical line is y-axis. So we need to mark values. This center as a origin, 1, 2, every centimeter equal to 1 unit. Usually we take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit if there is not mentioned sometime. Actually you can see in the question that take 2 centimeter as a 1 unit or 2 centimeter as a 4 unit, whatever as per the requirement of the question. But here we are not asked to take any other unit, so 1 centimeter, we take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative value will be here -1, -2, -3, -4, so on, and positive values of y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Negative value of y, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. So now we need to draw the points. The first point is here for 0, 0. This is the 0, 0 point through the center, and 3 and 9. This is 3. X is 3 and y is 9. We need to draw up to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. So 3 and 9, this is 3 and 9 is here. One point is here. And -3 and -9. So this is -5, -6, -7, -8, and last point is -9. So -3 and this is -3 and -9. This point is here. Minus this one. This is the. So we can draw this equation. And now for second line, this is the first line, and second line 1 and 1. 1, 1 is this one, and 3, 5, 3 is this one, and 5 is this one. So this point, and -3 and -7, -3 and -7 point is this one. So join the points. So this is the point of intersection. If we see, this is point of intersection, which is -1 and -3, and this is the solution. When we are asked to solve the equation, that means that we need to find the point of intersection, and this is the -1, -3. This is the answer. So one more question, that For example, part D of the question number 1, part D, that is 3x 3x plus 2y equal to 4, and 5x plus y 5x plus y equal to 2. So again we need to make the tables for both the equations. X, y. So we take value 0, 3, minus 3, and for other table x, y, we can take again 0, 3, minus 3. So put the value, for example here, if we put x equal to 0, this will be 0, 2y equal to 4, and y equal to 2. If we put x equal to 3, this will be 9. Okay, we can write here 3 into 3 plus 2y equal to 4, and 9 plus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to 4 minus 9, and 2y equal to minus 5, and y equal to minus 5 by 2, which is 2.5. Actually it is in the middle, somewhere middle of the 1 centimeter. So we can also take some other value. For example, if we take value here, instead of 3 we take the 4, what will be the, in that case I think then there will be no fraction. So I think we can take 4. We can leave this value if we want. I write, but I will not draw this value. So next we can take 4. If we put 4, so then this will be 12 plus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to 4 minus 12, 2y equal to minus 8, and y equal to minus 4. So y equal to minus 4, and for minus 3, so I think 3 values are sufficient, or if you want we can take minus 3 also. That means 3x plus 2y equal to 4, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, plus 2y equal to 4, and 2y equal to 4 plus 9, 13, and y equal to 13 by 2, which is 6.5. So this is 6.5, and for this equation put x equal to 0, y will be 2. If put x equal to 3, 3 5 are 15, and this will be minus 13, and if minus 3, minus 15, and plus 2, 17, this will be 17. So we can use the same graph as we used before, and so point is 0 2, 0 2. This is 0 and 2 is, sorry, this is 0 and 2 is 2 is this point, 0 2, and then 4 minus 4, this is 4, and minus 4 is downward, this is minus 4, and minus 3 and 6.5. Minus 3 is this one, and 6.5. Minus 3 and 6.5 is, this is 6 and 0.5, it is in the middle of the 1 centimeter. So this is the first line, and for second again plot the points 0 and 2. This is 0 and 2. 0 2 is the same point as we plotted on the for the other equation, and 3 and minus 13. 3 is this one, and minus 13, actually this is 2 below here. No problem, we can use some other, that is minus 3 and 17. Minus 3 is this one, and 17 also beyond the our scale. So we can use some other point, like this was 0 2, and we can use here, for example, point 2. If we write here 2, put x equal to 2 here, so this will be 5 to the 10, and y will be equal to 2 minus 10 minus 8. This will be minus 8. So we can take this point 2 and minus 8. This is 2, and minus 8 is this one. So one point is this one, and other point this one. So actually this is the point of intersection. And what is this point? X is 0 for this point, x 0, and y equal to 2. So this is the 0 2 is the solution. So point of intersection will be the solution. See one more question from question number 1, one more part, that is 3x minus 4y equal to 25, and another equation 4x minus y equal to 16. So we need to draw the table. X, y, x, y. So we can initially take just three values, 0, 3, and this minus 3, and here we can also take same value 0, 3, minus 3, or 1, 3, minus 3. And now if we put 0 here, that means 3 into 0 minus 4y equal to 25, and minus 4y equal to 25, y equal to 25 minus 4, and this will be minus 25 divided by 4, that is equal to 6.25. 6.25. So for 0, minus 6.25, and put value 3. 3 is a 9 minus 4y equal to 25 minus 4y equal to 25 minus 9 minus 4y equal to 16 y equal to 16 over minus 4 minus 4. So this is minus 4 for x equal to 3, and if x equal to minus 3, that means 3 into 3 minus 9 minus 4y equal to 25 minus 4y equal to 25 plus 9 34, and y equal to 34 over minus 4. 34 divided by 4, that is equal to 8.5, and there is a minus 8.5, so minus 8.5. And for next, put x equal to 1. 4 into 1 minus y equal to 16 minus y equal to 16 minus 4 minus y equal to 12, and y equal to minus 12, multiply both sides by minus 1. So y equal to minus 12 when we take the value of x1. So this is minus 12. And now put x equal to 3. So 4 into 3 minus y equal to 16 minus y equal to 16 minus 12 minus y equal to 4, multiply with minus 1 both side, y equal to minus 4. So we took value 3, and against that is minus 4, and now minus 3. So 4 into minus 3 minus y equal to 16 minus 12 minus y equal to 16 minus y equal to 16 plus 12, and y equal to this is 28 minus 28. So this is minus 28. So now we need to plot these points on the graph paper. So I draw two perpendicular lines, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and negative value minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and minus 10. And values, we need to plot the values for one line, first line, 0 and minus 6.2, 6.25. Actually this is x equal to 0 and y is minus 6.2. This is minus 6 and 6.2 25, that is the quarter of the remaining 1 centimeter. This is about here, quarter, fourth part. So this is 6.25, and then 3 and minus 4. This is 3 and minus 4 is this one, and next minus 3 and minus 8.5. Minus 3 is this one and minus 8.5. Minus 3 this one and 8.5, actually it is middle of the between 8 and 9, this one. So we plotted 3 points. Now we can join all these points. So by joining the points, we can draw a line, we can extend on both sides. So this is the first line. What about the second line? Second line is 1 and minus 12. 1, this is 1 and minus 12. Actually we don't have much space here, so we can skip this point. Next is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4, 3 this one, minus 4 is this same point. So this is also point for the other line. And then we can, because if even we see here minus 3, that is against minus 3 is minus 28, which is much beyond the scope of the paper. So we can take the other values, as already we have 3 and minus 4. For example, if I take here value 4, for example, if I put 4 here, so 4 into 4, 16. So 16 minus 16, 0, this will be 0. 4 and 0. 4 is this one, and y0 is exactly on the same line. Y0 for this point, x is 4, y is 0. So now actually we have 2 points, and 2 points are sufficient to draw the line. So we can draw this line, this one. And what is the solution? Solution is the point of intersection for both the lines. For this point, coordinate are 3, x coordinate 3 and y coordinate minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is answer for this one. Now exercise 2b and question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 exactly same as we did in the question number 1. Using the graphical method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. Even heading or writing, I mean the statement of the question are same. There is no difference. So if we see in question 1, all the equations are like, I mean that what is the standard equation actually? One form was y equal to mx plus c. Other we saw x plus by, ax plus by equal to k. Actually this is an other form of the same line, equation of straight line. And actually these all equation, if we compare, here 3 is constant, x is variable, here a constant, and plus b is variable, b is constant, y is variable, k is constant. So exactly in question 1, it was this format. And even if we see in question 2, that is a little bit difference, that the constant is shifted towards the left side, but it does not make any difference. We can I mean that ultimately we need to transfer this 12 also on the right hand side. For example, part A is x plus 4y, x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So we can shift it, x plus 4y equal to 12. Now this is exactly, this equation is exactly like this one, or the equation in the question number 1. So exactly I mean to say that there is no much difference or any difference in the question number 2 and 1. Second equation for this is 4x plus y minus 18 equal to 0. So write in the same form, which is also like in question number 1, equal to 18. Now we need to draw the tables. So table for equation number 1, x y. So for example we take 1 and 3, for example 3 and 3 here. So if we take value of x equal to 1, then for example x equal to 1 plus 4y equal to 12, and 4y equal to 12 minus 1, which is 11, and y will be equal to 11 by 4, or in decimal 11 by 4 is 2.75. This is 2.75. Okay, we put this one, this is 2.75. now take value 3 in the same equation. 3 plus 4y equal to 12, 4y equal to 12 minus 3 9, and y equal to 9 by 4. So 9 divided by 4, 2.25, 2.25. So 2.25 and minus 3. Now put minus 3 here. Minus 3 plus 4y equal to 12, 4y equal to this 3 will be plus there, and 15, and y equal to 15 by 4, that is equal to 15 divided by 4, 3.75, 3.75. So this is 3.75. and for second table, x y, suppose we can take even same 1 3 minus 3. So if we put 1 here, 4x, it means it be 4 into 1 plus y equal to 18. Y will be equal to 18 minus 4, and y equal to 14. Now put x equal to 3. So 4th is a 12 plus y equal to 18, and y equal to 18 minus 12, and y equal to 6. This is a 6. And what if we put the value minus 3? This will be minus 12 plus y equal to 18, and y equal to 18 plus 12, which is 30. So the 30 value is bigger, it will be beyond the paper. So better we, because here value is less, we take one more number close to 3, which is for example 4 or 5. Okay, we take 5, for example 5. So 4 into 5 plus y equal to 18, and y equal to 18 minus 20. This is 4 5 is 20, minus 20, y equal to minus 2. So we will use these two values to draw the line. So two values are sufficient for drawing the line. So this is a point of intersection of lines 1 2 3 4 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, so on. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So first table 1 and 2.75. So this is 1 and y is 2.75, this is 2, and 0.75 is actually 3/4 of 1 centimeter. If we see here, this is the middle, and next it will be up to here 1 and 2.75, this point is here, and 3 and 2.25, this is 3, and this is 2, and 2.25 is 1/4 of next centimeter, that is just a little up this one. So this was the second point. So -3 and 3.75, this is -3, and 3.75, this is 3, and this one is here. So now we can join these points, these 3 points. And for other line 1 and 14, 14 is too bigger beyond the scope of this graph, and we can see 3, we can draw 3 and 6, this is 3 and 6, this is the 1 point, and 5 and -2, 5 is this one, and -2 is 5, this one, and -2 is this one. So just join these 2 points. 2 points are sufficient for drawing the line. So we are joining the points, these point we joined, and now this is the point of intersection. If you see, this is the x equal to 4 and y equal to 2, so this is the solution set. So this was the answer. Now